previous videos and find my videos very useful for your home decoration. Today we will discuss about welding projects you can do at your home. And if you are a beginner interested in learning the art of welding, in this video we will explore a variety of exciting and accessible DIY welding projects that you can try at night in the comfort of your own home. From functional pieces to creative works of art, these beginner-friendly projects will introduce you to the world of welding and help you develop your skills. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. One great project idea for beginners is creating a simple welding cart. By welding together a sturdy frame and adding shelves or storage compartments, you can build a practical and mobile cart to hold your welding equipment. This project not only helps you practice your welding techniques but also provides a functional addition to your workshop. The most commonly and beginner-friendly welding project is constructing a decorative metal art pieces. With basic welding skills, you can create unique and eye-catching designs that can be displayed indoor or outdoors. From abstract to intricate patterns, welding allows you to transform metal into captivating works of art. You can put these scrap metal pieces into useful home decoration pieces. If you are interested in furniture making, and welding can be a valuable skill to have, consider building a basic metal coffee table or set of industrial style chairs. These projects allow you to practice joining metal pieces and create functional pieces for your home decor. For those with a green thumb, welding can be used to create metal planters or garden trellises. By welding together metal rods or sheets, you can design and build sturdy structures to support your climbing plants. These projects add an artistic touch to your garden while showcasing your welding abilities. Welding can also be applied to smaller scale projects such as creating custom metal jewelry or keychains. By practicing precise welds and incorporating unique designs, you can fashion one-of-a-kind accessories that reflect your personal style. These projects offer a fun and creative way to experiment with welding techniques on a smaller scale. When starting your welding project, safety should always be a priority. Make sure to wear appropriate safety gear, including a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing. Take necessary precautions to protect yourself and your workspace, such as ensuring proper ventilation and having a fire extinguisher nearby. It's important for beginners to start with the proper equipment and materials. Invest in a beginner-friendly welding machine that suits your needs and budget. Choose the right type of welding process for your projects, whether it's OMG, TIG or stick welding. Additionally, select the appropriate welding rods or wire for the type of metal you are working with. Practice and patience are a key when learning welding. Start with simple projects and gradually move on to more complex ones as you can gain confidence and skill. Take advantage of online tutorials, welding classes, and community workshops to learn from experienced welders and expand your knowledge. DIY welding projects offer an exciting and rewarding way for beginners to explore their creativity and develop new skills. Please check out all of these ideas to get more chances of